Hi, I'm Joe. Now I'm gonna show you the philosophical worldviews and how it can influence the way researchers choose the four design approaches. Firstly, starting with positivism based on a realist set of assumption can be a cause and effect. Complex phenomena are broken into small pieces, and it says that knowledge is gained through observation and measurement using numerical evaluation. Starting with theory, support evidence via data or refute, maybe using a hypothesis test. So it can be similar to for researcher in a way they can use quantitative because in quantitative it can be measured, counted. Otherwise, have a numerical value. Assign it to even a binary yes and no question, yes and no value, philosophically based on empiricism. Go into constructivism based on an objectivist set of assumption. In this worldview, individuals seek to understand the world by constructing subjective meanings of their experiences. Meanings are different and rely on past experiences and expectations. So, the main thing in this worldview is focusing on individuals and then from time to time building from general idea, general context. And it can be influenced on how researchers choose qualitative by inductive style. I mean, individual meaning and the importance of generating the complexity of the context. Next, go into pragmatic. Pragmatic is use whatever philosophical approach or assumptions that work best. So maybe this way, it can influence the researcher to choose mixed methods because in mixed methods, it can be easier to know it includes both qualitative and quantitative into a study. Maybe you can use convergent parallel or sequential approach. Use qualitative or quantitative firstly depends on the taste of research or the context of the topic that the researcher wants to explore. Finally, go into the transformative, sometimes it's called a critical perspective. It shares some features of social constructive, but focuses on knowledge and social power. And it may be a voice for participants. So in this way, researcher can use practice-led, but I think it can be a part of a mixed methods, maybe influenced by this worldview, because in this way, firstly in practice-led, we use imaginative and creative ideas, aim to raise awareness of society, to solve a particular problem which can be hard to solve individually. We need to a voice from a community. For example, by taking part in creative activities like art exhibition, for example, experience tattoos or have a look at sculptures. Go into the second question. The reason why I chose the quantitative because I'm studying in Master of Computer Science by research, mentors in deep learning. I use many numerical datasets to test hypotheses, particularly in statistical index, mean standard deviation. The current project related to the possibility of developing a model which requires an accuracy of a model to see what if it can be applied in a real problem. So it can be satisfied my need to work with many numerical data. I think choosing quantitative may be the most suitable approach for my research. And thank for your time. This is my assignment